Sleep tips for hot nights. Stay cool and sleep better naturally. Let me guess. It's 2 a.m. The fan is spinning like crazy. You've flipped your pillow a dozen times, but you're still wide awake, sweating, and frustrated. You're not alone. Tonight, I'm going to walk you through a practical, research-backed sleep plan to help you beat the heat without pills and without gimmicks. Just science, smart tips, and one surprisingly chilly trick you can do at home. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Sleep and body temperature. Sleep and temperature. To fall asleep, your body lowers its core temperature. But when your room's too hot, that natural process is disrupted. Result? You get less deep sleep, fewer REM cycles, and more nighttime awakenings. The ideal sleep temperature is between 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Everything we're about to cover helps your body cool down the right way. Chapter 2. Practical sleep tips for hot nights. Let's get to the 6 best ways to sleep well, even in the heat. Tip 1. Optimize your bedroom temperature. Use fans or air conditioner. No air conditioner. Place a bowl of ice in front of your fan. It creates a cool breeze. Also, close blinds during the day to prevent heat buildup. Tip 2. Choose the right bedding. Go for breathable fabrics like cotton or bamboo. Ditch synthetic sheets that trap heat. And yes, it's okay to sleep with just a shtor, no coversif. It's safe and comfortable. Tip 3. Cool your body before bed. Take a lukewarm shower. Not cold. As the water evaporates, your skin cools down naturally. Try placing a lukewarm hot water bottle on your feet 30 minutes before bed. Draws heat from your core and helps your body wind down. Tip 4. Stay hydrated but smartly drink water consistently throughout the day. Avoid large amounts right before bed to prevent middle of the night bathroom trips. Tip 5. Stick to a consistent routine. Try to sleep and wake at the same time. Your internal clock thrives on routine, and that predictability supports better sleep quality. Tip 6. Avoid daytime naps. Hot weather makes you feel drained, but resist the nap. You'll sleep better at night if you preserve your natural sleep drive. Chapter 3. DIY home remedy. The cool pillow trick. A simple no-cost trick. Freeze your pillowcase or a towel for 10 to 15 minutes before bed. When you lie down, resting your head on a cool surface gives immediate relief and can help you fall asleep faster. Chapter 4. Sweet dreams. If this video helped you sleep better, or if you've got your own summer sleep hack, drop it in the comments below. And if you want more doctor-backed health and sleep tips, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Sweet dreams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.